You're watching the Business Channel, creating business class programs. One Electrical are a brand of wiring accessories and lighting based in Manchester. Well, here with me is one of the founding directors, Gerard Hall. Hello to you.
Hi, Sarah.
Now, if I'd never heard of the company, tell me what it is, what it does.
One Electrical are a brand of electrical wiring accessories and lighting, established approximately 10 years ago, based in Manchester. Now with offices internationally, we offer a very high quality brand of wiring accessories and lighting to the wholesale trade.
Now, you design some of your products, some of them are designed by other people.
We have an in-house team that do send designs out to our factories where we do want bespoke products made, or otherwise we do have a standard range of products as well.
Now, LED is the big thing now, and I know you specialise in that area. So what are your main products?
There's domestic products and commercial products. So anything from a retrofit bulb that you may need for your house, or for a business, for an office, etc. Or you could go for a full LED fitting which needs a full installation. So that's the two sides really, whether you want a retrofit or a full product.
Now, what are the main benefits of LED lighting?
The main benefit that we try and get across to people is the energy efficiency, because with the efficiency not only comes a reduction in consumption of electricity, but it's the reduction in your electricity cost at the end of the year. So apart from the energy efficiency, you have the guaranteed lifespan of the product, which we offer a 2-year warranty on that. Beyond the 2-year warranty, we actually expect it to last up to 50,000 hours, which can really extend to 15 to 20 years depending on the usage of the lamp per day, per year, etc. of the person.
Now, we do have LED lights in our homes now, as you say, but are most of your products used in the commercial sector, or where are they used?
Probably 50-50 really. People are just sort of recognising it as a possible install in their house. It did take a few years for people to accept them as a real replacement. People were unsure about whether they give off enough light, whether they would be worth the investment. So that's on a domestic, and on a commercial, it's the same decision. Are you going to be happy to put the capital up to wait for the return on your investment? But a lot of businesses are costing on now because it is a huge expenditure, their electricity bills, on an annual basis.
Now, talking about whether they emit enough light, now there are some sectors, I'm thinking particularly of retail showrooms, that really don't want to break away from the halogen lighting. They feel they need a certain quality of light to sell things. Yeah,
LED now offers a direct replacement, as we say. There's different colour temperatures you can choose from. So in halogen, you've just got the sort of golden glow. With the LED, you can have a daylight colour, a cool light colour, warm glow. And also with LED, when you do actually dim them, they have a certain colour rendering index which stays consistent throughout dimming, so they offer that advantage as well. And also the heat is nowhere near as much as the halogens, obviously in museums or galleries, etc. There's no damage caused to the item it may be pointed on.
Well, I'm certainly convinced. Okay, well, Gerard Hall from One Electrical, thank you very much.
Pleasure.
Well, I'm joined now by the company's other founding director, Rob Chadwick. Hello to you.
Hello, Sarah.
Now, we've talked about energy savings that LED bulbs and products can give. What about cost savings?
Right, well, with the longer life expectancy, lamp replacement costs and maintenance costs are also significantly reduced. We've supplied street lighting to car parks before, where you'd usually have to hire a cherry picker, and the lamp costs are actually expensive in the traditional type of lighting. So the cost of replacing one of those light bulbs is quite expensive. In fact, the savings they were going to achieve through maintenance cost reduction were greater than the energy savings.
Now, what about the long payback periods? And also the upfront costs are more, aren't they?
LED products are more to buy in the first place, but what you really need to consider is the savings that you will achieve over the product's lifespan. The payback period varies between application. In a commercial premises where the lights may be running 24 hours a day, the payback can be less than a year. A typical factory size, you could be getting savings of about £90,000 per year. Other premises where they may be only 12 hours a day, you're looking at about a 2-year payback period.
So given the current economic climate, do you find that initial outlay is a real stumbling block for clients?
Whilst the payback periods are relatively short and our products are very competitively priced, initial upfront costs can be expensive due to the nature of the LED products. In that case, we do offer an alternative. We offer a LED lease scheme, which we feel is quite innovative in the marketplace. We're not aware of anybody else who actually offers it at the moment. It means that there's no capital expenditure for the client. Basically, they can get our LED products installed with no upfront costs. It means the saving from month one. The monthly leasing cost is significantly lower than the energy saving, so they get a net monthly cash gain in their overheads.
Now, I think we probably think of leasing, don't we, with a car, which you can actually give back if you want to stop leasing it. But with the lighting, it's already been installed. So how does that work?
When the lease period comes to an end, the customer can either decide to renew the lease with the current lighting at a lower rate, or they can look at the latest technology that might be available then, and we can renegotiate the lease.
And have you found many people have gone for that? Is that an attractive option?
Yeah, it's very attractive. Obviously, there's the benefits that there's no upfront cost, the saving from month one, there's no payback periods. Additionally, there's great PR from having our LED lighting. There's the green initiatives, sustainability. If there's a group of companies, say multi-chains around the country, they could do a full refurb programme, which is great PR. They do a refurb and there's no upfront costs.
What would you say is your biggest challenge as a company at the moment?
Quite often keeping up with demand. We do such a wide range of products and there's so many lighting fittings out there. We do try to offer a product for every application. In most cases we do.
And do you have a lot of competitors doing the same thing as you? Is it a crowded market or not?
There are a number of companies who have recently got into LED lighting, but given our experience of 10 years in the lighting and electrical market, we do have a lot of product knowledge, research and long-standing relationships with manufacturers. So we like to think that our products are of excellent quality and offered at a competitive price.
Well, Rob Chadwick, thank you very much.
Thanks, Sarah.